So this is the MSuper V3, and it's not a close representation. This is the exact wheel. This was printed from the original CAD files that were used to design the wheel. So it's literally exactly the wheel. Of course, I printed it at really low resolution, so the quality here is not great, but thought it was interesting, kind of fun to do. And I can actually print each and every piece individually, so that it is like the real wheel where I can take it apart. Everything moves like the real one. Just thought it was too cool not to share. Not to try this at least once.